Hey everyone, so let's start out with a definition. An array is a data structure that holds a number of values of the same type. If we break this down a bit further, there's a number of things you need to know for an array. Firstly, what is a data structure? If you're new to programming, it might sound a little bit intimidating, but don't worry, it's really not. Essentially, all a data structure is a way to store data so that we can use or make changes to it at a later stage. That's it. If you want a further video on that, feel free to let me know in the comments. But moving on with an array, how do we actually store data? For this one, I think we need to draw it out. It uses one continuous section of memory. This is then divided into smaller sections, each of which can store a value. Also, each of these sections would have what we call an index. This is just how we reference that value in memory. So we can say we want the value at position 2 instead of 1150 or whatever the memory address may be. Just note that two different value types cannot share an array. What's happening on the screen right here, that wouldn't work. So just to summarize, an array is a data structure that holds a number of values of the same type. I'm going to be doing a series on data structures explained in under 60 seconds. So if that's something that's of interest to you, please feel free to give me any feedback or requests down below. And thank you for watching.